Hey guys, it's Pete. Today we're going to change 2 rims and tires. We're going to do a day in the life of mechanic part 2. Here we go. First things first, get your yellow triangles off.
Always fun.
Alright, we got the old rims off. We got new round rims on. But I wanted to talk about our tires. We put recaps on. It's just financially responsible. They're cheaper. I mean, you're paying $100 and something for this tire instead of $300 for a Virgin. And I mean, you see what this stuff goes through. I mean, it's horrible. These things is heavy with these rims in them. A little tip or trick, I guess you could say I do. Whenever you buy a new bottle jack, you know, it comes with a little thing. You can boop, 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 boop. Well, I weld it together like a T. And then that way, you can use it to do that. All right, so we got our 2 rims and tires put on. We're about to head back to the shop and got a set out truck to work on. We'll see what else is going on. All right, made it back to the shop, and this is what we get to work on. We get to fix an exhaust leak and some bushings. That is supposed to be back there. I'll show you what we're gonna do to them. All right, guys, YouTube, this dude right here, Pat, said he's gonna rat me out about something. So let's ask him. Hey, Pat.
Hey, you know I don't like cameras now.
What are you gonna rat me out about?
Nothing, I'm just saying we got the same spot, so, you know, I've seen you.
Well, this is Chris, the welder man. Let's see what he's doing. Good Lord, that lighting's bad. Kingpin's bad. You can definitely tell it's bad.
self-conscious because I'm fat and they're gonna make fun of me.
Well, I'm fat too. It's okay, buddy. Look, we got to put this pancake on, but our new pancakes are so thick right here, they don't want to go on. Well, we got it to work, guys. Just tighten it up, and where's the hammer? I'll tap it with the hammer. Good job, Pat. He's single, by the way, ladies or men. It don't matter to him.
What the fuck?
Let me see that. Let me see that. Yeah, Poppy.
Could have just used the impact.
You do not use the impact on them. Tech tip: if you're adjusting your manuals, always make sure that collar comes out. Otherwise, it will not stay adjusted.
Hey, why you hitting his feet, man? Them things is like his feet are what bothers him every day.
Well, if he had Rock Rooster footwear on, they wouldn't bother him. All right, we're gonna go hook some air up and see if that fixed it. This is our little light cart. We got a valve on it. You can put air to your trailers and work your brake. Airing up. All right, we got it aired up. Let's try it. Yep. Alright. We had to do a part 2 of our day in the life of a mechanic part 2. I had to come over here to our other shop in Homerville. We had to put a windshield in that truck. We've tried to put 3 or 4 of them in it already, and they keep busting right at the end. But that's our plan. I gotta go put batteries in the truck right now. The driver's been out sick with a family emergency. Not sick, but yeah, anyways. All right, we got that done. Had to put a battery in it. All right, we're back at the shop. I didn't film changing the batteries because his kids was out there, and I just don't believe in that. So we're back at the shop. We're about to change this windshield. Oh God. Well, we got it out. Well, we got it halfway in. Let's see if it cracks. Where's my split? There's that. Well, since we can't put windshields in, I guess we might as well just service this truck. always put our nipple in first.
Yeah.
Best part about a pack car, you don't get fuel everywhere. We use pack car filters, 22, 72, 92, 6B. That kit right here comes with both your fuel filters. Always remember to lift your lock up right here, because you will break it if you try to take that off. That push down. Alright, we got a truck broke down in the woods, so we're gonna leave this and head to him. Broke his skids off, so we gotta bolt them back up. So this is what we're working with. The bolts fell out, and then when we tried to get under it, it twisted a little bit. So let's fix it. Well, that didn't work out, but we got it off. Ultra Tools locking extension. That's money, dude. That's it. Well, we got it done, got it hooked up. By the time we get back to the shop, it'll be time to go home.